Alright, it's a little windy today, but I think the Neo can handle a good amount of wind. Let's see how it does today. Not bad, pretty good. The wind is up and down, so right now it's not so bad, but it is still blowing a little bit. And the Neo handles like a champ. Whoa, little dive there because of the wind pushing it down, but I managed to save it. Let's bring it back. 30%, not too bad.